Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and first of all, if you are in any other mode, you have to go to the photo mode. So just tap on it, and if it is framed, then for sure you're on the photo mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Just tap on this option, and as you can see, the second section, the second bar of the options is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options. So the off option, which is currently applied, as you can see, this option is marked in this yellowish color, or we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. It's of course up to you. I will pick 10 seconds delay, so all you have to do is to simply tap on it. It is immediately marked, immediately highlighted, so you can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And of course it will work the same with all other options. Of course it will count down from the amount of time you've chosen, so for example from 3 seconds delay. So let me enter the settings again, and as I said, you can pick 3 or 5 or keep it turned off, which, as I said, it means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.